No buttons, no ports, a full display fingerprint scanner. Yes, the Vivo Apex 2019 brings a design straight out from the future. And you've probably seen it before, but it's time we take a closer look at it. Hey guys, this is Upesh from Beebom.com, and today we are going to take a look at Vivo's new concept smartphone, the Vivo Apex 2019. Now before we get started, let me tell you that this video has been sponsored by Movavi Video Editor, which is a powerful yet easy to use video editing software. I'll talk more about Movavi Video Editor at the end of this video, so stay tuned for that. Now let's talk about the Vivo Apex 2019. So this here is the new Vivo Apex, the latest concept phone from Vivo, showing off the latest cutting-edge technologies Vivo has been working on. So in the Vivo Apex 2019, there are 4 new innovations. So I'll take it one by one. Now first up, the obvious and the much talked about feature in the Apex 2019 is the fact that it has no buttons. Yes, that's a feature. As you can see, the Vivo Apex has no buttons whatsoever, not on the sides, not anywhere else. It's clean and nice, although having used phones with buttons all my life, it just seems a little weird. But yeah, the unibody design looks pretty cool. So how do you unlock this phone? How do you increase or decrease the volume on the Apex? Well, the Vivo Apex 2019 does have buttons. Instead of the usual buttons, the Vivo Apex has pressure-sensitive touch buttons that, well, you can't see, and they are in the usual places. So you can press here to increase the volume, decrease the volume, and unlock the phone. And while it's cool, it's super frustrating as well. There are random presses all the time in your pocket, in your hand, and the power button just does not work sometimes. Now it's a concept phone, so this is something I kind of expected, but buttonless phones have a long way to go before they can be good enough. This is something I personally would never use, but like I said, it's a concept phone not making its way to the market, so I'm not going to judge it too harshly. Anyway, you must have noticed that the Vivo Apex 2019 does not have any ports too. No headphone jack, no USB port, nothing. Well, the headphone jack is not a surprise, but how do you charge this phone? Well, this is how. Yes, the Apex comes with a mag port, which is basically a magnetic power connector that lets you charge the phone and transfer files. This is honestly my favorite thing on the Apex. I mean, doing this is just so much fun and reminds me of the MagSafe chargers in older MacBooks. Plus, the mag port charger is rated at 18 watts, which is decently good fast charging, so there's no deal breakers here. Moving on, another thing you must have noticed is the fact that there's no speaker grille as well. So, is there no speaker on the Vivo Apex? Well, the Apex 2019 brings a new sound casting technology, which basically vibrates the body to output sound, and it's decent enough. I mean, you can obviously feel the vibrations in your hand when playing music, but it's pretty loud and pretty good. Just listen to this. So yeah, the body sound casting technology in the Vivo Apex 2019 is pretty awesome. But there's one more thing missing in the Vivo Apex, and that's the SIM card slot. Yes, there's no SIM tray in the Vivo Apex 2019, and there's no extraordinary tech for this one. Instead, the Apex comes with eSIM support, and it comes with 5G as well, thanks to the Snapdragon 855 and its X50 5G modem on board. So you get the pressure-sensitive touch buttons, the magnetic connector charger, the body sound casting technology. That makes it 3. Now coming to the 4th innovative feature in the Vivo Apex 2019, the full display fingerprint scanner. Yes, the huge display on the Vivo Apex 2019 is a fingerprint scanner. So basically, you can plant your finger anywhere on the screen to quickly unlock the phone. Now this is an optical scanner, and Vivo is using its cutting-edge fingerprint light function, so when the user's finger is close to the display, the pixels around the touch point automatically light up to help obtain a clear fingerprint image. Well, the fingerprint scanner on the Apex is pretty fast, and I like the fact that I don't have to aim at anything. I can just plant my finger anywhere and voila, it's unlocked. It's seamless and way better than the annoying, inconsistent scanners on other phones. So those were the innovative features in the Vivo Apex 2019, but apart from all of that, it's still a flagship phone with flagship specs. The Apex has a nice unibody design, a bezel-less AMOLED display, and if you're wondering where the front camera is, well, there's no front camera on this phone. The phone is powered by the new Snapdragon 855 processor with a massive 12 gigs of RAM. There are dual cameras on the back, with one being the primary camera and the other being a wide-angle sensor. Now all that is great, but the focus here obviously is on the fact that the Vivo Apex 2019 is a futuristic smartphone with new innovations. Now before I conclude things, let me talk about Movavi Video Editor, our sponsors for this video. The Movavi Video Editor brings you the basic tools like cut, crop, trim, video stabilization, slow motion, audio editing and more. Plus you get features like video filters, built-in music, keyframe animation, multi-track timeline and a lot more. Apart from that, Movavi Video Editor brings faster processing for 1080p videos and 4K videos as well, which is great. Movavi Video Editor is available for Windows and macOS in a free version, with its full version starting at around $40. Plus, Beebom subscribers can get a 10% discount by using the code Beebom. So check out Movavi from the link in the description below. Coming back to the Vivo Apex 2019, yes, it has no ports, no buttons, no speaker grills, and yeah, all of it seems rather gimmicky right now. But you know what? A smartphone with all of these technologies refined to work flawlessly could be a game changer. Look, smartphones are advancing so quickly, no one really knows how future smartphones would look like. But a beautiful buttonless, portless smartphone that actually works is something that I can accept. As they say, never say never. Well, that was a good look at the Vivo Apex 2019 and all of its unique, innovative features. Anyway, which is your favorite feature in the new Vivo Apex 2019? Tell us in the comment section below. Also, give this video a thumbs up and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, that's me signing off. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.